Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to share the important things like the pros and cons, but the reasons why you shouldn't use the Xiaomi portable photo printer 1S, what you have to be aware of. So it using zinc technology, so you have like zero ink printing. The color is embedded in the paper itself. You don't have any cartridges, so that's good. And it's lightweight and compact, so it's not even like very like big, that's great too. And fast printing, print quality is also sharp. You have like USB-C charging, that's good too. And you have about like 20 sheets per charge. Now the cons is that the print quality for some people, like they reported that it wasn't like really insane. Print size is also small, and sometimes the photos come out dark, and the color differences between screen and print, so it's normal, but you have to actually like understand that it's like acceptable. Also, while the horizontal stripes, the photo paper is damp, and it uses official Xiaomi photo paper. Using unofficial paper can damage the device. Be aware of it. Also, it can get like costly if you're gonna constantly buy the paper. This is the most con from it. And also, photo paper only lasts 1 to 2 years unopened. Can't hoard it. That's another thing. And you can really like adjust colors in app for things. What you see is what isn't what we really get. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much guys for watching. Otherwise it's a good product, but I just want to make this like quick video for you what kind of cons primarily with using the official Xiaomi photo paper, and that it's going to actually like cost money if you want to like buy it. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.